Yesterday, while doing session, we got two questions. First question was, what is the aim of life? And the second question was, why do we fear death? What is death? Or why do we fear death? Both of the questions are very deep and cannot be explained in 10 minutes time. Each question will need 1 hour to explain. But we don't want to go into the depth because we want something to understand in a very simple term, very simply. So first question, what is the aim of life? There is no simple answer to it because simple answer your mind can't take it. First of all, I need to ask myself, do I actually know the life? Before I ask this question, what is the aim of life? So do I know what is my life is? In today's time, what you call is life is not your life. You call your life to your life situations. There is a big difference what life is and what life situations are. Right now, when everything is going well, when your job is going well, when you got your house sorted out, when you got your kids, everything sorted out, you say my life is good. No, your life is not good, your life situation is good. What is life situation? Anything outside this body is life situation. Your wife, your house, your kids, your job, anything which is out of you is life situation. And what is inside you is life. Right now, you are sitting with me, breathing. The breath is going in, breath is coming out, breath is going out, is coming in. Life is inside this body. That has nothing to do with life situations. But we misunderstood that my life situation, something goes wrong in your life situations because life situations keep changing. Anything goes wrong with your job, anything goes wrong in your family, anything you wrong, you say my life is bad. My husband is not good, my wife is not good, my boss is not good. You say that my life is not good. But that's not the life. Those are life situations. And the life situation keeps changing. Life is inside this body. Now once I know what is life, first of all I don't know what is life. So how will I know what is the aim of life? My life situation can have aims. My job can have aims that I want promotions. My kids can have aim that my kids want to become engineer. My wife can have an aim to do this, to build house or to do that. So life situation always have aims to reach someone. What does this life have aim? Why this life is inside this body? What is the aim of the life which is inside this body? Aims are always given by your mind, and we know that we are not the mind. Mind is just an accumulation of data. We know that we are not this body. Body is just an accumulation of food. So what is the aim of our life? My question is not what is the aim of my life situations. This earth is there from millions of years. There were millions of people like you and me came and gone. Everybody thought that I have some higher purpose to achieve in my life. Now we don't even know where their grave is. Many big people from Sikandar, big short people came in this earth and they say, what is the purpose of my life? What can I do? Why I am born? They were all talking about their aim, their life situation, not life. So we need to understand why this life has acquired this body. What is the purpose of this body? Life is not something which is calculation 2 plus 2 4. It is a dance, it is a celebration. It's not a mathematical calculation. So what can be the aim of life? Aim of your life situation can be many things, to achieve this, to achieve that, to reach to that state or reach to that heights. But aim of this life inside this body is just to experience why it has acquired this body, why it has come on this earth. To experience. This cosmic energy inside this body wants to experience this planet called Earth. It wants to see the dance of seasons. It wants to touch the river. It wants to wander into the forest. It wants to experience all kind of things which is there on this earth. That is why this life has acquired this body. That is why the planet Earth, the stage was set so that this cosmic energy can acquire this body and experience everything what Earth has to offer. That is the only aim of life. Celebrating life, celebrating different season, opening the eyes, looking at the rain, opening the eyes, looking at the trees, looking at the flowers, looking at the beauty, the delicacy of nature. This is why life has acquired this body, this life form. Same way, the same life has acquired all different life form. So they want to see the play, interplay between. That is the aim of the life. To celebrate what has been created by many generations. To celebrate, because once this life goes out of this body, your sensation goes. All the senses which is taking this input signal and feeling and experiencing, because when there is no body, you cannot experience anything, because all your touch, feel, smell, all these five senses are helping you to get this experience. That is the aim of life. To celebrate everything what we have. That is the aim of life. I hope I answered this. It's a big topic, but we can't do that today. And then the second question was death. Why do we fear death? I don't want to go into the depth of what death is and everything. All I can tell you that only the ignorance, because of our ignorance, we fear the death. Because when we were born in this life, the only certain thing anybody can say is the death. Death is the only certain thing. There is no other thing. It is fixed from the day you are born. From the day you are born, you are taking every step towards death. Every day passes by, you are one day closer to death. So that's not you have to fear the uncertainty, is not the certain thing, because death is certain. It is written from the day you are born. The only reason we fear the death, because of our ignorance. Instead of fearing the death, we need to fear that, am I wasting my life? Am I living, or I am dead before I am physically dead? Most of us, unfortunately, lives like a machine. Days come, days goes, weeks come, week goes, months come, month goes. There is no celebration, no joy in life. Somehow we have acquired this mental pattern where we do not celebrate life. We are just dragging one day after one day after one day after one day. Everything we do out of duty, out of responsibility. We don't do anything with the joy. The joy has gone, the smile has gone. We think like we are living, but we are merely surviving. One has to not fear death, because that's the certain thing. One day we have to go. One has to fear that this one chance which was given to me for 60 or 70 or whatever year, have I made a justice to that? Have I lived my life? Have I experienced everything why I had came here? When there was an interview done of almost 1,000 people who were dying at old age, they said, what do you regret now you are close to your death? They said, we don't regret anything which we have done in our life. We regret only one, things which we have never done. We kept postponing those things. So one don't have to worry about death. One has to worry about dying when they are alive. I hope again we answered your questions. These are big questions. One day I will make a big series out of this and try to answer these questions. But for today, I think that's enough, and I thank you from bottom of my heart again for love.